Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with an annual what I got for Christmas 2021. I film these videos every single year and you guys absolutely love them and they're always requested, so I thought I'd come back today and film another one for you guys. I'm gonna make the disclaimer that I make every year. I'm not trying to brag in any shape or form. I am filming this video purely for you guys' entertainment, and I personally love watching these videos and you guys always ask to see this video every year. I just want to say a big thank you to anybody that got me anything this Christmas or even just sent me a Merry Christmas message. It is honestly so nice. I'm extremely grateful. I've been absolutely spoiled this Christmas and I really just want to emphasize how thankful I am for everything. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start off and show you guys what I got from my Secret Santa. Mary got me for Secret Santa and she got me this really pretty like glittery red box. So she actually bought me this Victoria's Secret Bay Vanilla body lotion and I've been really wanting one of these for ages. It is one of my favorite sets from Victoria's Secret. She also got me some eye sheet masks and also a new lip balm. So these are the Garnier ones and these are honestly so good. Like, these are amazing. Let's say less sleepful night, then I always put these on in the mornings. And then she also got me this lip balm and this is like raspberry flavor. She told me it's really good, so I'm very excited to use this. Little Charlie gummy bears. That is so thoughtful, and when I saw these I got so excited, obviously because it's Charlie. Thank you so much, Mary. From my younger brother Sebastian, he's 4 years old and he bought me this little plushie. This is what it looks like. It is very cute. I think it's a she and I need a name for her, so comment down below some names. Let's do some brainstorming. Stuffed animals make me so happy. You guys know this already. I absolutely love stuffed animals. So thank you so much, Sebastian. It's very thoughtful of you. I love you lots. And then for my younger sister Eva, she got me this red velvet box with this like ruffle on top. It is adorable. Inside she bought me some rings from Bershka. She also got me this purple scrunchie. She's starting a little jewelry business, so she actually made me this like pearl necklace and it's honestly adorable, and she just honestly so talented with it and I'm so proud of her. And then she also put some stickers inside and this one says, and that's the tea sis, which I think is very, very funny. I can put this on something. Good vibes one in like coral blue. Kitty. The last thing she got me was this Victoria's Secret perfume, Pure Seduction, and it's just this little body mist and it is absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing. I love it so much. So thank you so much, Eva, for everything. Next up from my grandma. She came today. Today is actually Christmas. I am filming this. And my grandma bought me two things. And she bought me this luxury bathing kit. And it's got warm vanilla and sweet almond, hand and nail cream and body cream. And those are all my favorite scents. Like, I love warm vanilla. Sweet almond is just so appealing. Like, that sounds amazing. And it just looks like this. And then she also got me this bath set. And it's got hand lotion, body lotion, shower gel, and I think this is also a bath bomb. And I'm so excited to use these, so thank you so much. So the first thing that my parents got me were actually these earrings, and they're just these silver ones. They are very, very pretty. So we got these two little earrings. My earrings are all from this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. The next thing they got me was the new phone case, and this is the pink one. And it's a premium liquid silicone case with hybrid protection. So I've just got a brand new phone case. Thank you so much. I really needed one. My mum bought me this hair wrap for me to use, and it's just this purple one. It is so pretty. Me and my sisters all got one for Christmas. And then next up, I got this rose quartz roller for your face. I'm so excited to use this. I've been wanting one honestly the longest time. The Ariana Grande Rem perfume, I think this is the brand new one from Ariana Grande, and it just looks like this. I'm very excited to try this one out. The other one we got is the Sweet Like Candy one by Ariana Grande, a big 100 ml of the Ari by Ariana Grande. It is an overwhelming amount, but I'm very excited about it because you can never have too much perfume. So thank you so much, Mum and Dad, for these. And then also one more perfume they bought me was this Givenchy, or Givenchy, I probably am saying that wrong, perfume. It's called the Live Irresistible Blossom Crush, and this smells incredible. It is honestly so gorgeous. It also smells incredible. I've been wearing this today. My purse zipper broke literally yesterday, and I opened up my presents today, and it's from this brand. It's this little card wallet, and then also then there's just other normal wallet, and inside I can put like, it's a new purse basically. This is stunning. Like, I really needed a new wallet, and it's pink and it's grey and it's just all my favorite colours. So I'm so excited to start using this. Bag from Victoria's Secret. When my mum was in the UK, she told me she bought it for me. But it is this really beautiful blush pink handbag, and it's just got the Victoria's Secret logo, and then it's got this really gorgeous gold chain, just Victoria's Secret, like writing on this edge here. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I'm absolutely obsessed. The next thing is from Hershey. This is actually all the way from the States, and I'm very excited about it because Hershey chocolate bars are honestly like one of the best things. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty, and it's also the USA selection, and I'm so excited to try this. And now I'm going to show you guys what I got in my stocking this year. This is my stocking. It is from Jumbo. I not actually have like another stocking, but I couldn't find it, so I just got this one. So inside, it's a tradition, always have a tangerine. So my mom always puts one of these inside because Christmas isn't Christmas without a tangerine. Something else I got in my stocking was also the luxury bathing kit. I got a lot more chocolate. I got chocolate coins and then this lint Santa Claus. I also got a pure charcoal black sheep face mask from Garnier, and then I also got these cheddar cheese Pringles mini puzzle, and this is what it looks like. It is also very cool. I absolutely love Pringles. And then I also got this magic fish game fortune telling pack of 6. It's very cool. Might try it out later. I'm kind of scared because I don't like messing with that kind of stuff. It feels like a little mini Rubik's Cube type of thing. And then the last thing in my stocking is more chocolate. This is the Tony's chocolate caramel sea salt chocolate bar. It is Christmas. This is your reminder to eat all the chocolate that you can and just eat all the good food, because Christmas is all about, it is about family and all the food. But yeah, basically I think that is everything that I got for Christmas 2021. I really want to say one more time that I'm so thankful for absolutely everything this Christmas and for all of you guys. I think 2021 has been just a gift in itself for Christmas, for reaching 700 subscribers. That has been my goal for the longest time, and that has literally been the best Christmas present ever because we hit it only like 2 days before Christmas. Thank you to every single one of you guys and all of my family and all my friends for everything this Christmas, and I cannot wait to see how New Year's goes and all that's to come in this year coming. This Christmas has been amazing. Thank you to everybody that has made it special. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas, an amazing New Year. I will keep you guys up to date on here because I'm not going to stop posting content now Christmas is over. I've got so many new videos coming in January and the new year, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a Merry Christmas and an amazing New Year. I love you guys so much. Bye.